Hi friends, today we will see the steps involved in N-MOS fabrication process. The first step of N-MOS fabrication process is taking an Si substrate. Second step, p-type impurities is lightly doped in Si substrate. In next step, third, which is the third step, SiO2 deposited over Si surface. Silicon dioxide is deposited over Si surface. The thickness of SiO2 is 1 micrometer. In fourth step, photoresist is deposited over SiO2. The SiO2 deposited in the previous step, over that photoresist is deposited. In fifth step, marks 1, as you see in the diagram, is used to expose the SiO2 where S, D and G regions is to be formed. The black color in the diagram is the region where UV light is directly exposed to the photoresist. In the next step, sixth step, developer will remove unpolymerized photoresist. It will cause no effect on Si surface. In seventh step, etching is done. By etching, removing SiO2 layer which is in direct contact with etching solution. The unpolymerized photoresist is also etched away using H2SO4. A thin layer of SiO2 grown over the entire chip area. In ninth step, a thin layer of polysilicon is grown over the entire chip area to form gate. As you see in the diagram, the thin SiO2 is of 0.1 micrometer, whereas polysilicon layer is of 1 to 2 micrometer. In 10th step, a layer of photoresist is again drawn over polysilicon layer, as you seen in the diagram. In 11th step, marks 2 is used again to expose the photoresist material which is deposited over the polysilicon to UV rays. In next 12th step, etching will remove that portion of thin SiO2 which is exposed to UV light. In next 13th step, polymerized photoresist is also stripped away. In next important step 14.1, N plus doping is done to form source and drain. In next step, a thick layer of SiO2 is again drawn. The layer is of 1 micrometer. The photoresist material is again grown over thick SiO2. The selected area of the polygate, source and drain are exposed where contact cuts are to be done. As you see in the 17th step, the region of photoresist which is not exposed to UV light will become soft. In next 18th step, the contact cuts are formed for source, drain and gate terminal. Hardened photoresist is stripped away. In next 19th step, metal is deposited over the surface of whole chip. The thickness of the metal is 1 micrometer. The metal used is aluminum. In next step, photoresist is deposited over the metal. In 21st step, a fourth marks is used to deposit metal in contact cuts of source, drain and gate. UV light is passed through marks 4 with an aim of removing all metal other than metal in contact cuts. Photoresist and metal which is not exposed to UV light are etched away. The final N-MOS transistor that you see on your screen is the required N-MOS transistor. Now we are done with the steps in N-MOS fabrication process. Once again we will go through the steps from start to end. There are 22 steps. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe for more videos.